Hello there, all the students and professionals. I'm here with another lecture, lecture 2, which is part of the advanced series of Microsoft Project Training 2019. My name is Mohammad Sudarif, and I am a senior project planner. I have worked in different organizations and carry a vast experience in planning and scheduling. Hopefully, you will be able to learn from me and I'll be able to add value. The course is designed to help you to get the basic to the advanced knowledge. In the last lecture, lecture 1, uh, uh, we studied how to create a project, how to create a WBS, how to create activity. So those people who have missed it, uh, they can check this video out. I'll be reviewing all the things we learned in the previous lecture, and I recommend you guys to stay with me all along the way till we reach our final destination, because in the next upcoming lectures I'll be training you as how to create calendars, how to do the calendar setting, how to create resources and apply them, how to create cost, and how to do the cost loading, how to set the baseline and update your projects. So if you have not yet liked and subscribed my channel, please do it and share with your colleagues who are into this profession for a long time or who are just joining this profession. And I request you to also share these videos with these students who are uh, enrolled in master's program or bachelor's program and who are learning project management. So when they step into the professional world, they are well accustomed with this software. So let's jump into the lecture 2. uh, in the lecture 2 we'll be reviewing, as we just discussed, that we'll be reviewing about the projects, the WPSs, the activity, and we'll be seeing the different layouts. We'll be seeing how the different levels of project are created, and last but not least, about the network diagram. So we learned how to create a project, create a WPS, and insert activities, link them together with the help of predecessors, assigned durations. So there are two conceptual things which you need to know. First is milestone activity. Made this activity as a milestone. So what is a milestone activity? Basically, a milestone activity is an activity that signifies a major event. It is a zero duration activity, and it helps as the signpost throughout the course of the project. Okay. Second conceptual thing which you need to know is about the critical path. Okay. So what is a critical path? Critical paths. These red activities are the critical path activities. Okay, that have that are also called as slack activities, 0 days activity. If these activities are have slipped or delayed, so it will delay the entire project. So you need to have a good check on these activities. Okay, these activities are safe. These activities are at risk. Okay, so if we click on the top icon bar and I click on the schedule, so this is the total slack. You can see 2 days, these are safe. All activities that have 0 days are at risk, are critical path activities. Okay, If you want to go back again, click entry. Okay, and now if you go to this view bar, sorry, if you go to this Gantt chart format bar, and if you click this layout, okay, if you click on this link and click OK, so in this way the error bar will be removed. Okay, and if you click again, so the error bar will arrive again. Okay, and in the same format, what you can do is you can make this project level 1, level 2, or level 3. As just go to the view option, then click outline and click level 1. Okay, as you will click, so it will compress to this level 1, which is the first level or the project name. When you will click level 2, this will show all the WBSs in the activity, and when you will click level 3, it will expand to all the activities. So this is basically used for management reporting. Another thing which we need to see is the network diagram. We click on this gray part, Gantt chart, and we click on the network diagram. You can see here all the activities that are the network diagram activities in the parallelogram, like shared foundation works in the name of the project, then the WBS, second WBS, okay, then the third and fourth WBSs. If you want to go back, click on the Gantt chart again. Uh, so I hope you have understood lecture 2, which was not a very long lecture, but the basic things that will help you understand how the scheduling is done, how the resources, or how the scheduling is done, or how we create the project, the WBS, and the activities. Okay, and in the future lectures, we'll be discussing about the calendar, as I discussed, about how to create and apply resources and posting. So that's all for today. Thank you.